Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete multiple photos on iPhone. So if you have countless number of photos you want to take down or you want to remove on your iPhone to save more space, or because you do not need these photos and I want to delete them at once, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete multiple photos on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Now, on the Photos app, you want to scroll to where the photos you want to delete together at once is. So just scroll through your photo and then select all the photo you want to delete at once. So in this case, let's say the photo I want to delete at once is all of this. Now, for you to delete all these photos at once, you need to select all the photos you want to delete. To select multiple photos, all you need to do is click on select at top right, then select all the photos, or use your one fingers and then drag down like this. You see that? So once you've selected all the photos you want to delete, then you should see the number of photos you selected. In this case, I've selected about 185 photos. Then to delete the photos at once, just click on delete. That's the trash icon beside the three dots at the bottom right. Then you see the part that says delete 185 items. So these are the photos I selected. Click on delete. And then you should see the photos deleted. And then you're good. So that is basically how to delete multiple photos on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.